Hey, what's up guys? So in the previous videos we went over if and else statements. Now I'll show you Elif statements. So Elif statements run if conditions before it were false and its conditions is true. So look up here the example I gave. I put hour equals 14 and if is always the first one. Hour equals 14. If hour is less than 12, colon, space, print good morning. And you look up here and obviously it's not under 12, so that doesn't pass. And then the next one is Elif hour is less than 17, print good afternoon. So if is 14 less than 17? Yes, it is. So obviously this is going to pass good afternoon, and it puts it out down here. And else is if anything else is left over, right? So obviously since 14 goes here, nothing's left over, so this is not going to run. It automatically is not going to run. So it just depends on which one hinges on which one. And else is reserved when everything else is false and there's nothing left. And as far as Elif is concerned, Elif, we can put as many Elif statements as we want to, as long as they go before the else statement right here. And there's no maximum to as many Elif statements in Python. You can have as many as you want to. Python doesn't limit you. So that's it. Hopefully that helped you out. Thanks.